it's like 5 a.m. Just woke up from a nap and power went out, which is really bad. Yeah. I heard there's a EAS they're supposed, and before the power outage, I had a EAS here before, and like the power just went out like on my phone, and my phone was like 8, and I saw an EAS saying that there's some sort of creature. I thought it was a prank, and then the power outage just came. Oh, this is weird. When I'm recording this off my camcorder, wishing I could get the power back to the phone. Didn't work because power out. Yeah. I'll keep y'all updated on the situation. Okay, bye.
Warning, we are sorry to interrupt the broadcast. Your device. This message is coming from the TRC. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. The entity is depicted to be a multiform dark mass, with white light coming from what is believed to be the eyes. It changes its form to whatever the entity is targeting. If you have seen this entity, do not be alarmed. Stay inside, and lock your doors. I repeat, if you have seen this entity, do not be alarmed. Stay inside, and lock your doors.
Open my door. Door just open. Ah! Get away!